Welcome to another update on Tropical Cyclone Yvette, which remains a Cat 1 system. I will now hand over to Lachlan, who will provide the latest information.
I may mention all statements in this video are my opinions only, as well as David's, and I strongly advise them not to be used for emergency purposes and are for educational purposes only. For official forecasts and observations, use the Bureau of Meteorology's Tropical Cyclone Warning page, or check with your local weather bureau. Tropical Cyclone Yvette, located at 14.4 south and 114.4 east, with maximum 10-minute sustained wind speeds of 40 knots or 75 kilometers per hour, with gusts of 55 knots or 100 kilometers per hour. Yvette has stayed nearly stationary over the past few hours and has maintained over the past few advisories a pressure of 990 degree HPA. We move on to the imagery of the system. As clearly seen, the system is struggling with wind shear, keeping these very cold cloud tops as seen in the next few frames. Although this is starting to wane as wind shear is increasing, and this will start to impact on the system's structure, which we're already starting to see. We're starting to see an exposed low-level center to the east as we look at the cloud tops of the system. Also here we can see the system is shrinking as you look at it, because cloud tops are decreasing in temperature as they grow weaker. Thunderstorms are weaker as we come through the day. Sea surface temperatures at the moment have or are conducive for more development of Tropical Cyclone Yvette. But as I've said earlier, the wind shear is the only thing that is holding Yvette back. Currently at 40 knots and increasing. So this overall Tropical Cyclone Yvette is most likely to struggle all the way to landfall as a Category 1 at the moment, according to the Bureau of Meteorology. Sea surface temperatures are good. Structure is waning. So depending on where it hits and how strong it will be, we will not know until it makes landfall. But until then, all the best and Merry Christmas.